want Danielle in there.
And it's like, really? Because we bring those along.
Go on, I'm videotaping.
Hello.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi. Hi, camera.
And this is the last we ever saw of them.
We didn't let them loose.
I have a cold, I can't go in there.
Oh no, it's toasty. Yes, it's cold.
Are you wasting my chips? I mean, Thomas' chips?
What are you laughing about?
Daniel, come on.
You guys look funny.
Now you will come and join you in a second.
Okay.
I want my panties wet.
There you go.
Perfect.
Good for you.
Perfect.
Good for
Okay.
you. Right now. Look through there. I'm just going to run off and jump in there.
And now he's in his third attempt.
Let me see. Ready?
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry, I was filming the hillside. Can you do it again, please?
I'm going to kill you. Oh,
That looks really nice on.
it really is refreshing. Ready?
All right.
I don't think so. But I don't know how. And he was so generous, but I don't know what's up. Throwing away.
If you had a really good offer for it,
I would sell it in a heartbeat, but God doesn't want to.
yeah.
Because we have a lot of memories, you know. And he says, well, you know, what would you do with that money?